Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will explain to you how to use the Siemens air conditioner remote control. This is the on-off button of the air conditioner, and with its help we can turn the air conditioner on and off. With the help of the mode button we can change the mode of the air conditioner. This air conditioner has 5 modes: auto, cooling, heating, fan, and drying. Most air conditioner users mainly use the cooling mode. For this reason, we will start with its explanation first. We press the mode button several times, and when a snowflake appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to cooling mode. We can raise the temperature with this button and lower it with this button. In this mode, we set the air conditioner temperature to 22-24 degrees Celsius. It's not recommended to stay in a room with a temperature below 22 degrees Celsius for a long time, as it can cause colds. We can change the fan speed of the air conditioner with the help of this fan button. The air conditioner has 4 speeds: low, medium, high, and auto. You can choose a low fan speed so that the fan sound does not bother you in the bedroom. It's recommended to set the air conditioner temperature to 24-25 degrees Celsius for the air conditioner to save energy. To switch to another mode of the air conditioner, we press the mode button again, and the sun symbol appears on the screen. This is the heating mode. In heating mode, we set the air conditioner temperature above 26 degrees Celsius. In order to save electricity, the temperature can be reduced to 24 degrees Celsius. In heating mode, setting the air conditioner fan speed to auto fan speed mode allows it to work more efficiently, because in this case, the fan speed is regulated by the microprocessor. For this reason, the snow will cover the outside unit only when the air temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius. To switch to auto fan speed mode, the fan button is pressed several times, and when the word auto appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to this mode. We press the mode button again, and the fan symbol appears on the screen. This is the fan mode, and in this mode, the air conditioner will work like a regular fan. We press the mode button again, and a water drop icon appears on the screen. This is the drying mode and is designed to reduce the humidity in the house. We press the mode button again, and this symbol appears on the screen. Now the air conditioner is in auto mode. In this mode, the air conditioner tries to maintain the temperature in the house at the set level. We press the mode button again to return to cooling mode. The secondary button of the air conditioner are located under the cover. Now we will explain how to use these buttons. This air conditioner has 2 swing buttons. This button is used to move the horizontal blinds of the air conditioner up and down, and this one is used to change the air direction. The room button displays the temperature in the room. When the I fill button is pressed, the air conditioner measures the temperature using the remote control. To exit this mode, you need to press the same button again. The sleep button allows you to sleep comfortably. When this button is pressed, a crescent moon icon appears on the screen. In this mode, the temperature is raised by 1 degree after 2 hours. After a few hours, it raises again by 1 degree. For example, if you set the temperature to 22 degrees Celsius, press this button, the temperature will raise to 23 degrees after 2 hours and 24 degrees after a few hours. To exit this mode, you need to press the same button. For the timer mode of the air conditioner to work properly, the clock must be set. For this, We hold down the set button for 3 seconds and we see the clock flashing on the screen. With the help of these buttons, we set the time and confirm with the set button. After the time is set, we can use the timer mode. There are 2 timer modes in this air conditioner, timer on and timer off. If we want the air conditioner to turn on at PM 6, for example, we press the timer button once and see the timer on button flashing on the screen. With this button, we set the timer to desired PM 6 and press the set button to confirm. To exit this mode, we need to press the clear button. If we want the air conditioner to turn off at 3 in the morning, we press the timer button twice, use this button and set the timer AM 3 and press the set button to confirm. To exit this mode, you need to press the clear button. Sometimes, for some reason, we want to limit the use of the remote control. In this case, we need to press the lock button. Now, none of the buttons on the remote control works. To exit this mode, we need to press the same button again. Thank you for following us until the end.